Good morning, students. Students, yesterday we had discussed about the limitations and importance objectives of financial analysis. As we have seen how to make vertical balance sheet in the last chapters. Now today we will see how to make comparative balance sheet. This is the performance for the comparative balance sheet. First of all, make the columns of this one like this. Make particulars. This is first column, particulars. Column number 1, particulars. Column 2, note number. This is for note number. And the next column is values of base year. Previous year means base year. Value of next year's. Next column is absolute change, increase or decrease. This is absolute change, maybe increase or decrease. And the last column, that is for percentage. Percentage of increase or decrease. Yes, students, see, as you know how to make vertical balance sheet. In this balance sheet, we added 2 more columns for increase decrease, and next one is for percentage of increase and decrease. First head, this is equities, equity and liabilities. In this equity and liabilities, the first heading, that is shareholder fund. Students, to understand more effectively, you have to see first question, question number 1, page 3.37. See first question, question number 1, page 3.7. In this question, following are the balance sheet of X Limited as on 31st March and 2019, also on 2018. The values of 2019 and 2018 are given here. As you are seeing here, shareholders fund number, share capital rupees 10 lakh for March 19 and 5 lakh for March 18. Same reserves are given, non-current liabilities values are given, current values are given, and the total of the balance sheet is also given. Also the values of assets are also given for the both years, for 2018 and closing March 2019. You are required to prepare comparative balance sheet. How to make comparative balance sheet? See this. Number 1, shareholders fund. This is 5 lakh the base year 2018, 2019, 18 is our base year. इस बेस ईयर में हमारा जो शेयर होल्डर फंड है, इसमें शेयर कैपिटल दैट वैल्यूज रुपीज 5 lakh. शेयर कैपिटल 5 lakh. This is 5 lakh in 2018, and March 2019 it is 10 lakh. Students, March 2018 में इसकी वैल्यू थी 5 lakh share capital, and the end of March 19 it is 10 lakh. How much is increased? It increased by 5 lakh rupees. So put here any increase or decrease recorded here, rupees 5 lakh. Next, shares, reserves and surplus under the heading of shareholders fund. Next heading is subheading is reserves and surplus. It is 3 lakh in the base year and 2 lakh in the 2019 next year. Reserves and surplus. It is 3 lakh and 2 lakh. This is given in the question. रिजर्व हमारे पास 2018 मार्च में 3 लाख रुपीस है एट द एंड ऑफ मार्च 19 इट इज 2 लाख. द डिफरेंस इज 1 लाख रिड्यूस हुए, कम हुए, माइनस हो गए. सो पुट इन द ब्रैकेट रुपीस 1 लाख. दिस ब्रैकेट शोज इट इज नेगेटिव वैल्यू. नाउ कम टू नेक्स्ट. दिस इज नॉन करंट लायबिलिटीज. All these values are given in question. You have to arrange the values in this, perform now comparative balance sheet. Non-current liabilities. In this non-current liabilities, long-term borrowings are given at the end of the March 18. It is 5 lakh and end of March 19 is 8 lakh. Long-term borrowings. It increases by rupees 3 lakh. Now come to next current liabilities. This is trade payables. जो trade payables है, bills payables हैं, ये हमारी current liabilities हैं. And the value of trade payables at the end of the March 18, this is 2 lakh, and the end of March 19, it's 4 lakh. Trade payables. This is 2 lakh and 4 lakh. Values are given in the question. You have to arrange these values in this, perform the balance sheet. It increases by, yes, trade payables 2 lakh and 4 lakh. It increases in the year rupees 2 lakh. In this way, make the total of the equities and liability side. Total of this previous year means base year, this is 15 lakh. And total of this current 2019 year, this is rupees 24 lakh. And students, see, this is amount 5 lakh, 5 3 8 lakh, and 2 10 lakh. Subtract this negative value, then you will get rupees 9 lakh. Overall change is 9 lakh rupees. Now come to the last column. This one is percentage. Now see, students, how to make this percentage. This is the base year value 5 lakh rupees, current value 10 lakh rupees, difference is 5 lakh. You have to divide this difference by this and get percentage. Means let we can say the column, this is A, B, C and D. You have to divide this C by A. C is the difference, increase or decrease. A is base year into 100. Means like this, C upon A into 100. Then you will get the value in the D column. Means this 5 lakh upon 5 lakh into 100. You will get 100%. Means 100% increase हुआ. पहले 5 lakh वैल्यू थी, करंट ईयर में 10 लाख हो गई. मींस 5 लाख इंक्रीज हो गए और इसका परसेंटेज 100% है. द सेम वे सी द नेक्स्ट रिजर्व्स एंड सरप्लस. इट इज डिक्रीज बाय रुपीज 1 लाख. सो डिफरेंस जो होगा इसका वो डिक्रीज लेंगे. डिक्रीज जो कितना हुआ 1 लाख बाय 3 लाख इंटू 100. दिस इज 33% डिक्रीज हुआ. 33.13%. एंड दिस इज नेगेटिव, सो पुट इन ब्रैकेट. इन द सेम वे दिस by this into 100, then you will get 60. No need to write a percentage like this because this is a column of already percentage. So see next, 2 lakh by 2 lakh, it's 100%. Now come to this. 9 lakh by 15 lakh, 9 lakh by 15 lakh into 100, this is 60%. In the same way, you have to solve the asset sides. Now open asset sides. This is the total of equity and liability side. Now come to asset sides. In asset sides, values are given here. Non-current assets, base year, tangible assets 8 lakh or 40 lakh current year. Second part of the balance sheet, this is asset sides. In this asset sides, put non-current, first heading non-current assets. In these assets, first one is fixed assets. In fixed assets, tangible assets, this is 8 lakh and 40 lakh. Base year value 8 lakh and current year rupees 14 lakh. How much increase? 6 lakh. Put here 6 lakh. See the next value, intangible assets. Likewise, goodwill, maybe patents, ये intangible assets होती हैं. इनकी value at the base year, this is 2 lakh. And in the current year, its value is 3 lakh. Increase in the values, this is 1 lakh. Same way, current assets. Now come to the heading current assets. Second part of this asset side, after the non-current assets, is current assets. In this current assets, inventory is given in 2018, March 18, 4 lakh, March 19, 5 lakh. It increased by 1 lakh. Next, cash and equivalents. This is the last head. This is cash and cash equivalents. Its value is given in the March 2018, this is 1 lakh, and in the March 2019, this is 2 lakh. It also increased by rupees 1 lakh. In the same way, students, you have to make the percentage of this by dividing this C part, C upon A into 100. Is A basic year, this is base year, and this is a change. How much change in percentage you have to calculate? That it is calculated by change upon base year into 100. 6 lakh upon 8 lakh into 100. This is 75%. Next, 1 lakh by 2 lakh into 100. This is 50%. Again the same, 1 lakh by 4 lakh into 100. This is 25%. The last cash, this is 1 lakh by 1 lakh. This is 100%. Make the total of this. Total of this asset side is also the same with the total of the balance sheet of equity liability side. This total is also rupees 15 lakh. Total of this current year is rupees 24 lakh. And total of this is 9 lakh. Again, divide this 9 lakh by 15 lakh. Then you will get into 100, you will get the percentage of 60%. In this student, this is comparative balance sheet. In this balance sheet, we discussed how to compare the values of 2 years. This is the values of 2018 base year. Next values of 2019 current year. And how to make the comparison. First of all, subtract the difference. You make the difference of the two values. Maybe shareholder fund, non-current liabilities or current liabilities, or non-current assets, current assets. First of all, make the difference, then find the percentage of this difference. How to find the percentage of this difference? Take difference by base year into 100. In this way, you will get the percentage of this difference. This is the difference, maybe in increase or decrease. If it is in decrease, then put the value in bracket. In this way, you will know how to make comparative balance sheet. This is the first tool of analysis, comparative balance sheet. It's okay for today. Thanks, friends.